Hi everyone, welcome to MECANMED Medical live stream. I'm Jocelyn, a sales specialist here, and I'm excited to share our laboratory equipment today with you. With over 18 years serving 5,000 plus hospitals worldwide, MECANMED is your best choice. With dedicated personnel in charge of each major system, such as procurement, after sales. If this is your first time joining us, please follow our channel and click the link below to request a detailed product brochure. Here is my digital business card. Feel free to message me on WhatsApp or email for exclusive offers today. And don't forget to hit follow. Okay, let me introduce our company, Guangzhou MECANMED Medical Limited, founded in 2006. Here is why we are your ideal partner. The first reason is pioneer in medical solution. We are one of China's leading suppliers of one-stop medical equipment services. Secondly, proven expertise and global reach, decades of medical industry experience, active participation in international exhibitions, and established partnerships with hospital, clinics, and distributors worldwide. And thirdly, exceptional quality, delivery, and support. Product built to national aerospace project standards, backed by a 99% on-time delivery rate and comprehensive online training for installation, operation, and maintenance. And the last reason is our constant customer satisfaction. Product receive widespread positive feedback. Okay, now let's come to the product introduction part. Today we will walk you through 4 essential pieces of lab equipment: the laboratory microscope, centrifuge, and mixer, and constant temperature incubator. We will cover not just what they are, but why they matter, how to operate them, and the key feature that set our model apart. Okay, let's start with the backbone of any lab, the microscope. Have you ever stared at a blurry image for minutes trying to make out tiny cell structures? Have you struggled with eyepiece discomfort that makes long-term observation difficult? Have you spent ages trying to focus only to jostle the samples and lose your spot? Okay. And well, our MCL0576 microscope was designed to solve exactly those problems and give you a smooth professional experience. Hi, hello, welcome T Wood. Hi, nice to meet you. And you can add my WhatsApp or send message to me through WhatsApp or email to me to get the brochure of the products. Thank you. And our products will give you a smooth, professional experience every time you use it. It is primarily composed of mechanical illumination and optical models. The mechanical model primarily consists of the base, arm, tube, nosepiece, stage, and the coarse and fine focus knob. The illumination model includes the light source, condenser, and diaphragm, and the optical model is mainly composed of the eyepieces and the objective. Now let's dive into what makes our microscopes so special. The binocular head is inclined at 30 degrees and can rotate a full 360 degree. So you can find the perfect viewing angle without straining your neck. Additional, the interpupillary distance can adjust from 55 to 75 millimeter, meaning it fits comfortably whether you have narrow or wide-set eyes. And secondly, the quadruple nose pieces enable effortless rotation. It comes with achromatic objective in 4 times, 10 times, 40 times, and 100 times. Switching between different magnification is smooth and precise. Okay, thirdly, the cosial coarse and fine adjustments makes focusing easy. The 30 millimeter coarse focusing range lets you quickly bring samples into rough focus, and the 2 micrometer fine focusing interval ensure razor sharp image with high precision. Okay, now let me show you just how effortlessly this works in action. First, connect the microscope to the power supply using the power cord. Okay, before pressing the power switch, make sure the illumination control is set to minimum, and then press the power switch and adjust illumination knob to an appropriate position. Next, adjust the interpupillary distance to slide the eyepieces until you see a single clear field of view. That ensure comfortable viewing. Open the click on the stage with one hand and slide the microscope slide to the back of the stage. And then release the click to fix the slide. Use the stage control to position the area of the slide to be observed directly under the objective lens. Okay, let's start with the 4 times objective. Rotate the nose pieces to align the 4 times objective with the light path. Use the coarse focus knob to bring the sample into rough view. Then switch to the fine focus knob to sharpen the image until a clean image is obtained. Now please let's crank up the magnification. Rotate the nose pieces to align the 40 times objective with the light path. Use the fine focus knob again until a clear image is obtained. Always locate and focus the specimen with the low power objective before switching to the high power objective. After the observation, lower the stage to its lowest position and then remove the specimen. Turn the illumination knob to the dimest setting and then turn off the power. Okay, next up, the centrifuge. It's essential for separating samples, whether you are working with blood, protein, and cell pellets. But many users struggle with lack of proper safety features and difficulty in reading or adjusting the speed and time settings. This first frustration leaves user worried about the accidents during operation, and the other may lead to inconsistent results. Our MCL0184 centrifuge was engineered to address all of this frustration, making it a reliable, easy-to-use tool for high-precision lab work. Okay, first up, the clear digital display for easy monitoring. The centrifuge is equipped with 2-inch LCD screen for display of the speed and RCF and times respectively. You can see exactly what setting you are using. Okay, next, the robust safety feature. It has a balanced status protection device. That means if your samples are unbalanced, the centrifuge won't run, preventing any dangerous vibrations or damage. Plus, there's a safety switch and a mechanical door lock. The door won't open until the centrifuge has completely stopped, so you don't have to worry about accidental contact with moving parts. Okay, let me quickly show you how easy it is to use. First, connect the centrifuge lead to the power supply with the power cord. Next, open the centrifuge lid and rotor cover. Place the test tube into the rotor. Make sure that samples in test tubes are properly balanced and place them opposite each other in the rotor, avoiding the violent vibration or damage to the device. Then close the rotor cover and centrifuge lid. Set the speed and RCF and time using the up and down button, and press the start button. Then centrifuge will begin to run and you see the speed and time counting down on the digital display here. When it's completely stopped, the safety switch will allow you to open the door. Finally, carefully remove the samples. They are now separate and ready for the next step in your experience. Okay, now let's move to something that often goes unnoted but save massive amount of time, the mixture. When you are working with different samples, do you find it difficult to select the perfect speed for them because the speed range of the mixture is limited? Have you ever used a mixture that's to hash damaging delicate samples? Is your lab space limited, and do you find it difficult to move heavy equipment when you need to rearrange your workspace? Well, say goodbye to all this frustration because our MCL0941 mixture is here to solve every single one of them. Now let's dive into what makes our mixture so special. First up, the versatile speed control. The mixture can go from 0 to 70 RPM. That's a wide range, so whether you need a super slow, gentle mix for fragile cells or faster speed for thicker solutions, you can find the perfect setting. Next, the gentle and efficient mixing. The mixture is equipped with 6 rollers. Each roller is 280 millimeter is in length, so they provide ample contact with sample. Additional, thanks to its continuous operation mode and large diameter rollers, it enables exceptionally gentle mixing. And finally, the compact design. With dimension of 450 by 260 by 120 millimeter and a weight of only 4.5 kilogram, it occupied minimum lab space and is easy to move when necessary. Okay, let's take a quick look at how effortless this really is. Firstly, connect the mixture to the power supply. Use the power cord since it works with 100 to 240 volts. Just make sure your power source matches. Next, place the sample tube on the roller and press the power switch. Then rotate the speed adjustment knob to set the speed. Yeah. And after setting the speed, press the knob to start the mixing. Finally, turn off the power switch and take the sample tube off the rollers after the mixing is done. Okay, once you have got your sample ready, you need a reliable way to cultivate them, right? That's where our electric constant temperature incubator steps in, and it's going to make your cultivation process so much smoother. But here's the thing, many users run into frustrating issues. One of the biggest complaints we hear is about temperature fluctuations, which can ruin the experiments. Okay. Some users also explain that the parameter control is hard to use with tiny dials or unclear displays that make setting the right parameter a guessing time. And our MCL0626 this constant temperature incubator solves all those problems, providing accurate, stable conditions in a user-friendly design. Now let's dive into what makes our incubator so special. First up, the easy-to-use and intuitive interface. It is equipped with a large screen LCD display here, and to display the process value, SV and time. What's more, with only 4 buttons, all settings, including temperature, time, and other functions such as cell tuning, can be easily configured. Whether you are seasoned lab pro or just starting out, you will find it super easy to use. Okay. Alright, let's do a quick run through of how to use this incubator. First, connect the incubator to the power supply with the power cord and press the power switch. Next, press the set button to enter the temperature setting state. The PV means the process value, which refers to the current actual temperature. The SV means the set temperature, which refers to the temperature you set. Press the up and down button to modify the set value. Then press the set button again to enter the time setting state. Press the up and down button to modify the time. If you want the incubator to run continuously, adjust the time to 0. After the setting, press the set button again to save the modified value and exit the setting state. Then open the doors and place sample on the shelves. Once loaded, close the door. Finally, when the incubation is done, carefully remove the samples. Alright, we have just explored 4 essential lab tools: the microscope, centrifuge, mixture, and constant temperature incubator, each one designed to solve the real issues researchers face every day. But we know that with lab equipment, questions are always part of the process, especially when it comes to details like compatibility, safety, and maintenance. So now let's jump into our FAQ sections, where I will answer the most common questions we get from customers like you. And FAQ 1, are these products suitable for students' labs or just for professional research labs? Great questions. The answer is both. All four devices are designed with a balance of professional-grade performances and easy to use, which makes them perfect for university teaching labs, clinical training centers, clinical laboratory, and research institutions. They are also plug and play with intuitive interface and low learning curves, ideal for students, interns, or first-time users. Okay, FAQ 2. Is calibration or setup required before the first use? Good news. All of the products come pre-calibrated and fully assembled. No complicated installations. You can start using them within minutes of unboxings. And FAQ 3, is there warranty coverage? Absolutely. Every unit we show today comes with a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support. If there's any issue with functionality, we will repair and replace them. Okay, plus we offer video call support for troubleshooting if needed. This is a customer from Ghana who purchased some laboratory products and gave us positive feedback. Okay, at MECANMED, we strive to be China's premier one-stop medical supplier. Our mission is to improve global healthcare accessibility by providing high-quality equipment built on principles of honesty, responsibility, efficiency, and mutual benefits. Thanks for joining our lab product live show, and we are excited to announce our upcoming participation in a medical exhibitions, Medica 2025 on November 17th to 20th in Germany. Looking forward to see you there. And the next live stream will be on November 12th, and my colleague Benjamin will introduce our new CR model. Thanks for your watching. Bye. 这个人是